Hi, Black Friday is around the corner and you're watching this video. That means you must be a silver member of my community, Growth Lifestyle Hub. And if you're watching this, you have a golden opportunity to upgrade yourself to the gold membership where you are getting once in a lifetime opportunity to upgrade on a very special offer on the Black Friday. So what is it exactly? The Black Friday is a day when all the people around the world give you a bulk offer. The businesses offer you the bulk offer or the bulk discount so that they can actually get the benefit to the customers. And that is what I'm going to do for you to upgrade you to the gold membership. So I'll be explaining you in this video what is that offer is, when you can avail it, how you can avail it, and why you should be availing it. So let's get straight into that, the Black Friday, right? And if you are here, you are in the silver membership. If you're watching that, and if you're watching on the Black Friday, you will be getting this direct link to jump into the golden membership as well. Okay, so we have three levels: foundation, acceleration, and excellence. And we all agree that our financial growth, what the current level is, cannot be reached to the next level until and unless we upgrade ourselves. And that is what precisely all the leaders across the world do. They keep upgrading themselves so that they can get to the next level faster. And if you are not taking that opportunity, you're missing that growth as well. Now, typically, people are actually walking in this path, either slow path, average path, or a fast path. Now, depending upon your situation, I realize that most of the people are in the average path, but they all want this faster path. For that, they need to develop which will help you to reach to the next level of financial growth. Number one is the leadership presence. Second, leadership skill. And the third and the most important one is the leadership mindset. Now, if you look at your hierarchy of the management and leadership, you'll find that your technical or hard skill or your functional skill are only useful to a certain level when you grow up the ladder. And you need to develop your human skill and the conceptual skill in order to move to the next level. And the challenges people find is personal level, core level, certainty, environment, and the learning. If I have to just point one or two, first and foremost, people are having a very low self-esteem and they fail in the relationship, power, communication, and also the trust issues. Second aspect that people fail it is they do not have the leadership vocabulary. Why they do not have? Because they never get that environment around them which can give them the leadership vocabulary. Third and the most important thing that you want to understand is most of us are using the tactics. Now, the tactics can be giving you the short-term result, which is the one day is good. But how about the long-term plan where you can actually develop a life skill and you can get multifold return on your skills? And that is what you're going to get it. So typically the people are facing two levels of challenges, the tactical challenges and the personal challenges, depending upon where you are. And if you score yourself out of 60, let's say consider 5 as a rating point for each of this point, out of 60, if you score yourself on the technical and personal score, you'll understand where do you stand today. Now, this is the challenges which you need to overcome. And how will you overcome? By getting into the growth leadership. Why? Because there are three levels of leadership that we always need. One is the personal leadership. There are a lot of limiting beliefs that each one of us are carrying, and we need to get rid of them. That is why the personal leadership is required. How do you develop your mindset to a level where your impact is higher? Second is the people leadership. As soon as you get into the management and leadership role, you have to deal with people. The complexity and the intensity both increases. Now you no longer are responsible for only your performance, but also the team performance. And people are not easy to handle and also manage. So you need to learn how the people leadership works. Third and the most critical one is the professional leadership. Your leadership level is not only just a function of your people, your team, and your personal side of it. There are a lot of other skills that is required for you to gain and ensure that these skills are applied in your day-to-day life as well. So this the intersection is called the growth leadership. So what is the difference between silver and gold? A lot of people are just having that lazy attitude saying that, oh, let me first complete the silver. Please understand every purpose The every membership had a purpose, and the first purpose was to get you clarity. Silver membership has one and only one purpose, that is to get you tactical clarity. And if you look at the modules, you'll understand that you'll get the very good technical clarity about what you are doing and what you are not doing so far. The second aspect is about all the mindset and the skill. This is more strategic in nature compared to simple the tactical aspect of it. This is also skills driven, mindset driven, and the leadership presence driven. So if you want to grow the accelerated path on the leadership front, if you are stuck in the leadership promotion, you are stuck in the leadership jobs and not getting the next level, this is the membership that you need so that you can upgrade yourself to the next level. Now, what is that you're going to get? You'll be getting the complete mentoring, starting with the growth leadership model, where you'll be understanding 6 elements of growth. Then you'll be understanding how to be self-aware leader and become a self-aware leader for yourself. Third is about establishing trust and relationship with the people and the management. How do you identify your risk profile that can help you in your decision making? Fourth is about communicating with the top management and derive your own power as a leader. How do you influence the people around you? There is a power equation that we teach you, which is the most powerful equation that you will ever learn in your lifetime. Then you will be understanding how to effectively communicate. Then how to manage those stakeholders using a certain influence matrix that we have designed for you. Then how to set your goals and also for your team and how to measure it. What are the blind spots that you need to be wary of? How to monitor and control your performance as well as the goals that you have set for yourself and team, and how do you manage your performance during that time. Then your different leadership styles that we each one of us are carrying, but everyone having one style cannot be working in all the situations. So you need to know different styles as well as adapt to the different styles as well. This is what you are going to learn here. How do you build the visibility in the leadership? Then comes the advanced career clarity. If you are part of a silver membership, that is a camp, none of the things which I am talking about in the gold will be available in the camp, because we talk at an advanced level in the gold membership. That is advanced career clarity about your roadmap. Then comes about the LinkedIn influence building, CV and LinkedIn audit, lead generation guide, and I'll give you the negotiation strategy sheet, which is worth your entire membership value. Why? Because that can clear all the salary rounds at any given time and get you the salary growth that you can never imagine. Then comes the hot seat coaching. In this membership, we also give you the hot seat coaching where you will be asking me the question directly and we'll be speaking with each other, which is not possible in a camp perspective. Profile audits. I do the random profile audits for your LinkedIn on the CV so that people actually get an understanding whether they are going right or wrong. Then there will be an accountability call. Apart from the coaching call, you will be getting into the accountability call where you will be revising the topic and also understanding what challenges that each one of you are facing. Then comes the mid-career interview secrets. This is something which is a formula-based designed by the HR professional with the 30,000 interview preparation. Now this is mind-blowing. Alone this is worth everything. Why? Because this will give you a direct formula, and even if you cannot answer the question, you can actually grow to the next level of round. Then comes your top 10% performance mastery and the fast track promotion, how to deal with the office politics, how to plant a seed for your promotion, and so on. Then last one is the ultimate guide. This is an 8 hours long guide, which is a real life leadership dilemmas that you face on a day-to-day basis. How do you solve each one of them? What to think about, how to think about, and how to strategically plan your answers as well and create your visibility in the system. Now, if you look at it, we are just trying to imbibe you into the leadership DNA, because this leadership DNA will take care of your IQ, EQ, your DQ, SQ, and the LQ together. Now, this is the whole package, and unlike the CAM, it is not just a digital program, it is a combination of it. So, what is it exactly? You will be getting the golden ticket for the 365 days. What that golden ticket is, let me show you just now. Okay. So, what do you get? This is a completely live coaching, and all these modules can be completed within the 60 days. So 60 days cycle is the live coaching, and golden ticket is given to you so that you can attend throughout the year. So you are going to get live coaching for the entire year from the time you join the gold membership. Then you have a digital version as well. So we have already designed a digital version, which you can keep it with you for the entire lifetime so that you can keep revising your skills again and again whenever you require in your lifetime. Then we have a growth tracker. What is that growth tracker? This is some of the thing which you don't want to miss. Reason being, because this growth tracker has a potential to actually give you the systematic plan of job search or promotion as well as the leadership. So we have devised the 60 days plan and we have actually gave you all the tests which are required. What are the modules that you need to refer for each of the skill, and what are the actions you need to take step by step so that you can reach to your destination, that is a higher level of leadership growth in this membership. This is priceless, but it is given in this membership as well. Then there are personalized hot seat coaching, as I mentioned, profile audit, mock interview, negotiation session, future roadmap strategy, SWOT and leadership assessment. There are various assessments which I have given to you during this entire session, which you need to take so that you can understand about your leadership styles and furthermore. Then the hackathon. I conduct a live hackathon session. At this membership, you will get the complete access to the hackathon recording as well. LinkedIn Visibility Challenge, dedicated accountability group is there. There will be a group assignment under each of the live coaching session, and there will be a template and cheat sheet. Now you must be wondering, how much do I pay? Now, if you normally come, this is worth 75,000 plus GST. But because this is a Black Friday, and what you are going to do is you are going to learn, apply, and practice the skills throughout the year with me. Okay. So amazing news is you can take a highway or you can continue with your service road. That is becoming a crowd. Now, if you decide to take a highway after this point, then you have a link to follow below this video. Okay. So the Black Friday offer for you is currently it is 75,000 plus GST, which comes to around 88,500. Post Black Friday, you will be paying 49,000 plus GST. That is 50,000 plus GST, around 59,000 rupees. And the people, this month we have closed the membership for everybody for the growth leadership, because the only day the membership will be open is on the Black Friday. So if you miss this opportunity between 10 a.m. and 10 p.m. on 25th of November, Black Friday, then you miss this entire opportunity. Now, the current offer which we gave the previous month was $39.99 plus GST, and that is $47,199. And you have a golden opportunity to grab once in a lifetime opportunity for you to be in the 1 year live coaching plus lifetime digital program on the growth leadership. Only at $29,999 only. That includes your GST as well. So, how will you grab this opportunity? Right? So there is a link below in this video. What you need to do is, if you are watching this video before the Black Friday, that is on the 25th of November and before, then you just need to go down the link and block your spot immediately with the 4999, so that you get this offer lock for yourself on the 25th of November. But let's say you missed the opportunity on the Black Friday day, 25th of November, this very link below this video will turn to 29,999. So you can directly claim this offer as well on that day between 10 a.m. and 10 p.m. Now, everybody wants to grow to the next level, but there are two aspects of growth. You can have a sequential growth where you can just keep trying and reading about the skill and keep working on your skill years after year and you reach to that position. Or that is called the stack growth, which is stacking up of skills which are required, essential for your growth in the leadership. And this is what the gold membership is offering. So do not miss the gold membership offer on the Black Friday, which is at $29,999 only during that period. If you're watching this video, just click on the link below, block your spot so that you can get this offer on the 25th of November. And if you miss that, on that day, get it directly as well. I look forward to see you in the Gold Membership Live Coaching. Your batch will start on 4th of December, and before that, you'll get full access on the 25th itself. So make sure that you grab this opportunity and don't miss it. Thank you very much. God bless.